Hi, this is Juan from TechHive. I'm making tutorial videos for Class Saathi users now. And this time, I'm here again to tell you how to change your class in the Class Saathi app. We've been getting some feedback saying, I don't know how to change my class, but actually it's really simple. So let's try together. Let's go to the More tab. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see there is a Manage My Classes button. Click here. In another class, we also could solve a quiz, get study reports, and get badges. So let's try to go to another class together. But before that, just for the brief explanation, let's click the question mark at the top. It tells you there are three types of icons: skipped, finished, and completed. As you can see now, I have skipped icons for class 6 and 7 because I studied from class 8 when I signed up. Finished. If I move on to the next class without getting a certification, I would get a finished icon. Completed. If I finish class 8 with a certification, which I need to meet the criteria for, I will get a completed icon. It means if you want to go to the next class, you need to get through the procedures to get a certification. However, the important thing you should remember here is that if you finish the class where you are now without certification, you could not get a certification for that class forever. If you want to know more about a Saathi certification and how to get it, please take a look at our tutorial video for certification, which is showing up at the top of this video now. Okay, then let me show you how to go to a class 7 that has a skipped icon. Click the study button. As it tells us, we can come back to this class later without any restriction, so let's click yes. Then now we're in class 7. We also could solve a quiz, get study reports, and get badges here. If you want to go back to class 8, click More tab again and repeat the action that we've just done. Hope this tutorial helps you to change your class. And if you like this video, please check out some of our other videos on this channel too.